Hi, I'm Chef Carl. Welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl Food Whisperer on YouTube. And what's that? Okay. Yes, I'm the Food Whisperer. And we're going to be making prime rib.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
I'll show you, this is a choice black Angus prime rib. We're going to cut a section of it off because I can't use the whole thing, and I'm going to cut the rest up in hunks. So I'm thinking somewhere around here. I'm going to put this piece in a pan for later. Try to keep it clean. I have sanitizer and sanitizing wipes and soapy water in the sink. So first thing I'm going to do is take my pan. You could use a roasting pan, but I'm lazy. I don't like to spray with a little olive oil. Okay, Popeye. Put the piece of prime rib in the pan. Now that we got all the blood off, first thing I'm going to do is put some nice fresh chopped garlic. And I know this looks like a lot, but you know what? I put it all over. Put it down the back, on the sides. It's like giving it a massage. Okay. Next thing I want to do, this is my own rub, but you could use any of your favorite rub for beef or pork or chicken. Put it on thickly. I can't say the word liberally. All sides again. Then we're going to add a little the pink salt. Some fresh chopped rosemary from my garden. Again, rub it in. Little oregano. This I'm just putting on the top. One second. Some nice cracked black pepper, brown. Or you can buy it already pre-cracked. And that's that. Now what I also like to do for the holidays, I make double bakes, but I don't feel like today. So I'm going to make roasted potatoes. And I already got some seasoned with olive oil in my rub. And toss them together. So everybody's happy in the pool. Okay. So we got our prime rib all nicely seasoned. We got the potatoes all seasoned and cut up with a little olive oil. So this is the prime rib ready to go in the oven. It's going to be 330 degrees for about 2 hours, depending on how rare you'd like to have it. Pull it at 125 to 130. And this is going to be a nice roasted potatoes, and just pull it out when you're done pulling out the prime rib. So here we go. I'm going to put the potatoes on the top rack, and the prime rib on the bottom rack, and we're good to go. So now the prime rib and the potatoes are in the oven. They're going to cook at 330 for about 2 hours. But check our thermometer, and then whether you want to cut it thick or you want to cut it thin for sandwiches is up to you. So I can't wait for it to come out of the oven. So hi, it's been about hour and a half, hour 45 minutes at 330 degrees. I'm going to check it out, and I'm pretty sure it looks good, and it's bringing it up to a temperature of about 125. Let's see how it can turn out. Whoa, that's a nice prime rib. And how about our potatoes? They're looking pretty good too. Alright, I'm going to be putting this up on the counter. We're going to let the prime rib rest, and we're going to make some Sammies. Okay, now we've gotten it out of the oven. So I let it rest for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take this and I'll put a little water into it. It'll be for our juice. Now hopefully this will be a nice medium rare. So we're going to put it on a charger plate. We're going to add a few roasted potatoes. Usually I make double bakes at Christmas. My hands aren't working too good today. And this is what you got. We'll put on French bread if you want to make a little sandwich. Or if you cut it thicker, the double bake, some asparagus with hollandaise sauce. But that's the name of that tune. I'd like to thank everybody that watches the videos. Please subscribe to Chef Carl on YouTube, Chef Carl Food Whisperer on YouTube. I want to thank everybody in the military. And make sure you get your shots and stay healthy. This is Chef Carl until next time saying, I'll see you, goodbye.